So we're off work early. Chicago's playing Chicago. North side versus the south side at the Southsiders. And that's fucking up traffic, along with the air show on Lakeshore Drive. Watching the Blue Angels go by doing some shit. Here they go. There they go, doing their shit. That's my version of the air show, because we work Saturdays faithfully. The guys I work for said, he hates his wife, I hate my wife, I hate your wife. You're outvoted 3-1, we're working. Fucking